Okay, in this recording, I'm going to show you how to actually create a Facebook business page. It's super easy and it's free. So when you go to Facebook, you go to facebook.com like we've got up here. You're going to see something similar to what I'm seeing, although you will see a full news feed. I actually use an app to block my news feed, but you'll see your news feed here, ads there. You're going to see some shortcuts over here. What we want to do is go to the upper right hand side where you see kind of this Rubik's Cube looking guy. You got your messenger, notifications, and your account. We're going to hit the Rubik's Cube, and then we're going to come down to where it says page. Click on page, and then we're going to name our page. Now, it's good to try to get the page name right. Got all kinds of notifications come up here. It's good to get the page name as close to right as you can. Facebook can be a little funny about you changing your page name. Usually when your page is still new and you don't have a lot of followers, it's not that big of a deal to change your page name. That's why you want to go through the Handmade Sellers Club training and specifically unique product focus so that we can help you get the right kind of page names that's going to work for you. So I'm just going to name this something silly. Allie's cool new page. And then that's going to be the actual name of your page. Then you need a category. So they're going to tell you to start typing something. Try to type something close to what you have. So if it's crochet, you know, they're like, okay, that's arts and crafts store. A lot of you guys watching arts and crafts store is just fine. If you find something that's more closely related to what you have, that's fine too. So just choose that. That's fine. You can find other categories as well, but this really isn't that important. And then your bio is optional. I sell really cool crocheted snails. And then you just click create page. Once it actually creates the page, so once you click create page, you have the page. The page is your page. We're going to give it a second here to load. All right, Allie's cool page has been added. You can see where I can add a website, email, location. You can skip all of this for now. We're going to click next. It's going to ask you to add a profile pic and a cover photo. These are really easy to change, so if you just want to put some placeholders in there, just click on that. It's going to open up all your downloads. I'm going to put my grandma in as the profile pic. And you'll have options to be able to edit that as well. And then the cover photo, let's put this picture of Seattle I have there. My kid's going to a cubing competition in Seattle, so I want it to be more of the cube. And you can see on the right how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look on desktop. On mobile, they put the profile pic off to the left. So it's usually there's no perfect placement there. But I could also say here I really want just like what you can see in Seattle there. All right, and then add action button. Customize your action. We want send message. That's the one we want. It's already chosen, so we're going to hit next. Send message is the right button to use. You do not want go to website or anything like that. People on Facebook want to send messages. That's what they're looking for that button to do. All right, we don't need a WhatsApp number. You don't need to do that. And then it's going to ask you to invite your friends. Skip this for now until your page is looking good and tight. Once you go through the page makeover training in Handmade Sellers Club, that is the time after that to invite all of your friends and family to follow your page. Page notifications on your profile. So what this is asking, do you want to get notified when something happens on your business page? Do you want to get notified on your personal page? Some people say yes, some people say no. Some people, if you're in the habit of checking your business page every day, the new thing that happened on your page will be in the notification section on your new page, but it will not show up on your personal notifications. So that is up to you if you want to turn that on or off. I'm going to turn it off. marketing and promotional emails about your page. That's just like Facebook saying, hey, can we send you stuff to tell you to boost posts? And you don't want to do that anyhow. So we're going to get rid of that. And there we go. So this is what the new page looks like. Now, if you notice in the upper right-hand corner here, you can see my lovely grandma's face is showing. If we click this little arrow, I can go back to my personal account. So that's how you get to your page and your page's newsfeed. So right now, this is the page itself. But if I just go back to Facebook.com while I'm logged in as my page, this is now the page's newsfeed, which I still have. That newsfeed eradicator is still removing my newsfeed because it does it on everything, no matter what I'm logged into. But you won't see your friends and family popping up here. You'll see random stuff that Facebook is giving you because your page doesn't follow anybody. It hasn't joined any groups. So your page kind of acts like its own account. Okay, so it's its own account. So if you want to go back to your personal account, you would just hit that drop down button, click my face there, and now there is my personal account. If I want to go back to the new account, if you have more than one page, you can see all profiles. It will pop up like that. I've got a bunch of them, but I can click right back to Allie's cool new page, and there you can see that the profile picture that you choose is going to be the indication that you're on the right page. You'll see it here where you make a post. You'll see it up here. Now, when you're in the newsfeed, you're like, hey, but where is my actual page? If you click here and then just click on where it says Allie's Cool, we've already selected it to be the account that we're on. We're already on that account, but we're going to click it again, and it's going to take you right to the page. So this is where you make posts to your page. This is where you comment on things. This is the cover photo where you can update your cover photo, your profile pic, all of that. And then everything else that you need to do is located in the training in Handmade Sellers Club. One more thing that we're going to do here. This is a good time to do it. And of course, I'm saying we're going to do this because I'm thinking I can get to it quick enough. So if you click on, you see down here where it says settings. If we click on settings, and then I believe Facebook has moved things around so much, I believe it is under, I don't think it's page setup, but we're going to double check. Nope, not page setup. It is under, nope, not that one. See, I knew better. I flew too close to the sun. I'll go back to settings. Every time I do this, it might be followers and public content. There we go. Followers and public content. So click settings, then followers and public content. And then we're going to come down here to country restrictions. This is going to reduce the amount of spammers and scammers you get messaging through your page. Not totally eliminate them, but it does help to reduce them. We're going to click edit. And then we're going to look for United States. And then say only, show only to certain countries, and then United States. If you want to add Canada, UK, Australia to that, that's fine. But this is then going to hide your page from anybody who is not located in the US or is not using what's called a US VPN. Some scammers use VPNs, but a lot of them aren't that smart, and we're able to block them through this, and it just greatly reduces the amount of scammers and spammers you have. And that's it. We click save, and now you have your pages set up, and we have some safety features on there, and we're ready to go.